Good day guys, in this one we're discussing how to withdraw from a Fidelity Roth IRA. So if you have this IRA with Fidelity and need to pull your money out for an expense or emergency, making a withdrawal online is quick and simple. So because Roth IRAs have unique tax rules regarding contributions versus earnings, knowing how to navigate the process keeps you in control. Okay, so first you need to access your Fidelity transfer dashboard and pick your Roth IRA. So log in at fidelity.com or open official Fidelity mobile app as well. In the top navigation menu, hover over Accounts and Trade and click Transfers. Click on the primary button labeled Deposit or Withdraw or Transfer Money. In the From drop-down, select Fidelity Roth IRA. In the To, select where you want the funds delivered, either your linked external bank account or a non-retirement Fidelity account, and click Continue. And now we can configure the exact amount you want to move and make sure you have available cash. If your Roth IRA holds uninvested cash in your core position, you can withdraw it immediately. If all your funds are in stocks or index funds, you must go to Trade and Sell Shares first. And then you type in the withdrawal amount you want to transfer, review your payment preferences. Electronic funds transfers typically clear into your linked bank via direct deposit in 1 to 3 business days. Or you can just request a physical check by mail. Review the transaction summary and click Submit. And guys, also, before you pull the money out, keep the IRS ordering rules in mind. So you can withdraw your original contributions at any age, anytime, completely tax and penalty free. However, if you withdraw investment earnings before reaching age half to 59, and before your account has been open for 5 years, these gains may trigger income taxes and 10% early withdrawal penalty, unless you qualify for an IRS exception like a first-time home purchase. That's it. These are the details for you. Enjoy.